What's up, guys? Dave here. Swapping out a battery on a S550 Mustang, which is 2015 and up, basically. Battery is, up here on the passenger side near the firewall. And you may notice not much room to get your hands in here to just get the battery out of this little compartment. So here's what I found. Now this little hold down clamp, which is 8mm to loosen this guy. So take that guy out. Then notice these two little slots right here. You can actually screw it in there, snug it down. You don't have to do it very much. Snug it down, then you can actually hold on to it here and hold on to it here, and you can actually lift the battery up and pull it out of there. I don't have a tripod, or I would show you that, but that's the way I found out. I figured it out basically just by wondering what these two little holes would be for, and that's what I used it for, and it worked perfectly. And the same thing with putting the new one in, because there's just no room to clear your hands to drop it down in there. Anyway, very simple. Check out our other videos. We got all kinds of cool stuff on our channel y'all might like. And Google Horsepower House. We're all over the internet, including eBay, Amazon, Facebook, and all that stuff. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you.